Alright, welcome back to another saga Emuz dev sesh. So, today we're going to keep going with the Geurts Save God system. I don't really remember how far we ended up getting along with the system, but we can see where we're up to as soon as I click back into the project. And that's about all I really wanted to say. We're just going to continue working on this. It's a little bit of a sidetrack from Aussie Salute, just because I wanted a bit of a break from it. But soon we'll be back into action with directly working with Aussie Salute. But for now, we're just going to work with the Save God system. So let's get into it, hey? Alright. Let me just double check that that's working. Save God. So I should be programming until 9, realistically. No, not realistically. Presumably, but I'm not sure if I'm just gonna exit a little bit earlier because I've started a bit late today, and I kind of want to play a bit more games. Never mind. I just let's go. So where were we? Savable data. Blueprint. So last time we were checking if the type is still the same. I didn't know a bit of code, and we checked whether or not the type was still the same, but I can't remember as to why. Oh, it was because of this. Okay. Try add value listener, save action. When we press the button. Okay. Path and then entry save key. Where are we getting this path from? Path combine, parent path value, and the group name. Yep. And then we create a Unity action. And then we add that value to the listener. Yep. And then on this, we'll make this a private. serialized field. Then we'll go public test name get returns test name. Click string test name get return that, set this. Then in here I also want this to be expanded, that, and then I want raise value on changed event. Do that. Value has been changed. And then we'll do that in make another editor down here. So if and then we'll if and then go public class e test save object. Then we'll make this an editor. Get these ifs. Should just create a separate file, but I couldn't be bothered, man. It's really annoying. So I'm just going to do it this way. Then custom editor. Type of test save object. Then we'll get on inspector, so we'll override here. Override inspector GUI. Then I call draw default inspector, which is the proper way apparently. Draw default inspector, and then we're going to go if GUI layout button change name. Now we need to also need to make an editor field. So editor GUI layout dot field text field. We're gonna give it a variable. So let's just make a private variable here. String. Test text. Text. Test text equals this. Text z text, and then this, and we'll change the name by getting the target. So let's not be lazy anymore and go save target. Go target equals test save object target. Sorry for abusing the microphone. How long have you been coding? Oh, I didn't see this. Sorry, mate. A while, probably about 8 years. 8 years on and off. We've got chatty up now, so I won't miss any more messages. Okay, let's just do that. Yeah, let's do it here, and then we'll go test text dot. Now we're gonna go target, get the target, and then we're gonna go test name. Test name equals test text. Test text. Yep. Okay, beautiful. We have the save blueprint. I'm gonna test. So that should now have that event for this one. And then I want to change the name. I'm going to change the name to penis. Change the name. And that should have saved now, I think. It should have saved. So let's have a look and see if it has this. Close tab, close tab, close tab. So let's view our assets. So let's go file, edit, show project, assets, show an explorer. I actually don't know where they save. So let's make a debug in here and let's go save here. If it makes it here, we'll just show where it's saved. Debug.log. Saved at plus, and then we'll go master path. Okay, now let's try that again. So this should probably be reset. Save group, nice. Then I go to object name, vagina, change name. It's not saving. Let's play and do it then. It's just the events aren't triggering, that's all. The events should trigger if it's in play mode. We need to initialize, yeah. And now we're going to change the name to nothing. Second type. So that played twice. Oh, we're returning him. My bad. So we want to change the actual selector profile name. Or at least select another profile. Test profile. Good. And let's try this again. Test, we're running out of initialization and we fucked up. Test save object was not expected. Use the, so we're using XML. So let's use, that's weird, XML include. Let's use JSON. That. Let's try again. Test. Saved data. We need the whole thing, boys. Good with player prefs. Player prefs is different. Let's just do save here. And let's do the other saved inside the save with player prefs, save with JSON. Let's put here. This is save, isn't it? No, it's load. Save with XML. Saved with XML at blah blah. And we'll go saved with XML at, oh, this is loading with XML. Oh my gosh. Save, load, save with JSON. Wow, that's it. I feel like I'm missing a lot here. Yeah, we're missing some here. Okay. Bumping this mic, raping the mic again. Alright. Come on, baby. Oh, we don't need to play. Let's test this. Save data. What? That means this fucking thing is creating shit on my desktop. in here. At least I think so. Doing the wrong thing here. Master path equals path.combine application dot assistant data path. Is that right? Must be. That doesn't make sense. Application dot. What was it called? I don't remember it being called persistent data path. I remember it being called something else. I swear we get it. Application of persistent data path. Yeah, it's that. Okay, so my intuition's wrong. Application of persistent data path. Master path. Dude. Save. Right, now that should work. Try again. Test. There we go. Let's get this place. Paste it. No. Paste. And let's go there. Gonna get that replace string stuff. Yeah. Oh, no. No, this is old. This is old. Save. Key found. We want the replace. Here we are. And we are saving with XML. No, we are saving with. Do that here. And we haven't added application data path here either. Equals path.combine application dot persistent data path, and we will combine that with the master path. And if the directory does not exist, then make it exist. Now, we didn't do this here either on the save with JSON. That's important to do that. I actually think we're missing some stuff as well with the JSON. I think we're missing. I think we're missing stuff here. I don't think we can just file.write bytes and that's it. I might be wrong though. Let's see. Okay, that's better. Let's get this path now. That should be working. That should be the correct path now. Able to go straight there. Yep. Here we go. Here. And test. Test name. Nothing. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Raise your hands. Yeah. All right. Okay. Let's change our name. Oops. It's a penis. Change name. That should have saved. Penis. Nice. It's working, boys. So Jason is currently working. XML isn't. I keep closing the fucking file explorer. So XML isn't. Where did it save? So it's even saving in the correct folders as well. Nice. So XML stuff. Just make sure it's a savable data. So let's try saving with XML and then see what limits it. One of the things we need to do is names. So we need to make sure we are. I was just checking that. I forgot to click go live on Facebook here. All right, now we're live on Facebook. Welcome, Facebook. Go back. So yeah, there's one thing we've got to do. So currently, when we try to make a profile with a question mark in it, it has a hissy fit. I want it to have a hissy fit. We need to change that. That can be when we're working with the profile editor. We'll change it there. For now, we'll just keep on going with this. We've got save blueprint. Let's check this test profile. Everything's working. Nice. So that's if it's auto saving. Oh. Now we need a save group. So save groups are easy. This is auto saving, and this is going to be saving the entire group when we specify. So we need to get our save group. Let's go for, let's just get the save group. So save group, target save group. I'm going to use a bit of magic methods. I'm going to go save groups dot where. Save group lambda, and then go where save group save group dot group name is equal to group name first or default, and then if there's no name, we'll call try save group. If there's no name, we will just return if blah blah is equal to null. Equal to null. We're going to return. We want to exit out of our method here. If not, if we do found a save group with the save group name, we're going to save. We would need to go through each of the save entries and save them individually. So for each save entry in target save group dot save entries, we're going to go entry dot, well, my bad. I'm going to go save God. Save God dot save. Get the path. We don't have the path. We need to make a path. Do it. Oh. Need to make parent path here. So string parent path equals path dot combine. We'll get the parent path dot value, and then we'll get the group dot group name. Group name, yeah, that'll do. It was this I was after. Group name. And then we want to go string path equals let's just call it full path so we know what path we're working with. And that's going to equal path.combine parent path and the let's call this entry path because it's not the full path. This is getting confusing, the amount of different paths there are. Entry path, we want to pass the parent entry dot save key. Right, that's the entry path. Now we send that to Save God, and Save God adds application.persistent data to the path. So we go path. Oh, it also does that. That's right. We don't need this. Relative path. So that's the parent path. We'll call this group path. Okay, it's going to get the group path and the entry.save key. That's our specific entry here. And we're going to give it a save method. Our whatever save method we have up the top here. And we'll go entry.save data. Yeah. I just realized something. If we initialize twice for two different save methods, both the save methods are going to run because we are adding the save actions. We're adding that to the save data listener event. And we're not removing it. Hmm. So we're gonna be saving in the old method at the same time as the new, if we change the target save method. There's a couple ways we can fix it. We can remove all. We can go entry dot save data dot remove dot and we'll have to make the event public. And remove all the listeners every time. But that's a problem, because if I have other methods that are listening, that would be so boring. Because I want other listeners to be able to listen to the variable change, but I don't necessarily want it on playthrough, right? Like during, we don't really care about it during the editor. Okay, we're gonna go to savable data. We're gonna do it this way. We're gonna go public void add save listener, add saver, unity action, I'm gonna track. We're gonna track the action, unity action. Okay, on value changed dot get. We can do it that way. Yeah, let's just do it this way, dude. Grab this. Do it with an event, just to be safe. We can do it with an action. Can do it with an action, but there's not really an advantage. The only advantage is we let's try Unity action first. It's more along the lines of what we want. Save using an event there might just be a waste of resources. Just save saver action. Saver equals action. I'm pretty sure I can just go saver action dot invoke. Yeah, I can. Okay. So we need to check if it's null. Is not equal to null. Oh, look at that. It's even sexier. Yeah, that'll do. That saves me removing things and everything like that. And now we just add a saver when we call, when we want the action to save, and we can also add listeners as well during gameplay and outside of gameplay to our heart's content, and it'll all still follow the same rules. Nice. We'll go back to the save blueprint. Get the entry, save data, and we're going to add a saver here now. Add saver, save action. Just going to put that where this is. We can make this a bit better. We can make this add autosaver. Well, we won't make add. We'll go change autosaver. That's more better. That's better. And then we'll go. Okay, so that's good. For each entry in here, am I saving entries? Saving the entries. That's all we really need. Save groups are mainly just to split things up, so we don't have to save all these variables at once. Also adds neatness to the files as well. All right, let's have a look at my Coggle board. Too much about it. Oh. We want quick actions. How do I get out of this? This edit mode. I'd actually like here, like a. Yeah, I mean, like that's more useful than stream health. Stream preview? Uh-oh. Health. That's good. My chat's good. Actually, this can be a stream preview. It's good. Health is good. Actions are needed. Let's actually get rid of this chat and add a window. Oops, I just pressed accidentally. Let's add like ban requests. Edit stream info. That's what I want. And I'm finished. How do I stop that now? Save layout changes. Now I know how to do it. Going back in. Yeah. What's this stuff? What was I doing? I was doing something on here originally. I can't remember what I was doing. Have we only been going for 20 minutes? Oh no, we've been going for a lot longer. Okay. Oh, Coggleboard, that's right. Checking out what's next. So save group. We want load group as well. Process parent path change. We need another function called initialize blueprint. And where in here, I get the parent path. So add listener on change. I need the exact action. That's the issue. Is there any other way to remove the listener? Add listener on change. Current path. Remove listener. So the problem is, again, we're adding listeners to a string that's gonna stay after, if we change like the parent path. It's the same problem again. Because if I change the parent path halfway through, it won't be listening. As in, we want it to only listen when it's in playthrough. We don't want to have it listen to it after, which is fine actually, because all scriptable objects get reset when building the game. So in the final version, it will work. But in the editor version, there's going to be problems. Especially if we change the string value in this these auto event stuff. We fixed it for the auto events though, but I'm not fixing it for this one. Did I just remove the string value? No. So let's add a value on change, and we're gonna go make it public as well. Public void process. How do I spell process? Process parent path change. So it just means we need to load. If the parent path changes, we need to load all the data. So for each save group in save groups, for each entry in, for each save entry in group save entries, if entry does autosave. We're not worried about this. About each of the entries. Entry dot load. Load these bad boys. We need more than just save data. We need to be able to set that save data. I just thought of a really good way to do everything. Public void save entry string group path. Public void load entry string group path. What we're going to do here is we're going to go to save God dot save group path save key. Need a save method. Save method. What's wrong with you? I have to pass through a type for the load. That's a problem. It's a problem because we can't just pass in savable data. It has to actually be the exact type of data. Let's check our load function here. Let's check this load with JSON. Yeah, it converts it. It's just going to convert it to savable data. We have to know the type. So what we're going to do, instead of load with a type function here, we're going to do ref. We're going to change how this works. I'm going to go ref savable data void. Alright, I'm going to delete this. Go to each of these, delete it. Then we're going to go ref savable data. Delete this and just return null. Oh, we're just going to make this void. Turn. Right, here it happens. We're going to get type of data dot get type. So we'll go data dot ref data dot, still not working. I think my sister just made dinner. Wow. Type of data. Why isn't it working? Let's try get it over here. Data.get type. It wants to fucking piss me off, hey. Why can't I get data here, dude? Let's just delete the, just comment out these two lines. delete this. Okay. Now my autocomplete is working. Let's delete these lines. They're two different datas. Like, are we? Yes, there is. Yeah. Let's go type of data. If it doesn't stop doing that, I'm going to lose my head. Data dot get type. Okay, good. And we just have to do the same here. Data dot get type. And we need data dot get type. Let's just go data equals this. Let's just convert it into savable data. All right, that's JSON done. We're gonna just cut this semicolon here into here, paste here. Just need the data. Let's go to player prefs. Delete. Ref. Savable data. Let's get data. It's just this. Let's get data. Get properties. Get type. Get properties. Nice. Wonderful. That's done. You return a type of void here. We delete this. We can just remove this actually. Okay, I'm pretty sure that should work. All right, and last one. First off, we're gonna do this. Oh, wrong. I don't know how I got that up. Control save. There we go. Load with player prefs, and we need to pass in a ref data. And last one, XML. Just get to there. Let's remove this. Void. Ref data. Savable data. Let's just return here. Get the data here. And let's see if we can just go as data.getType. Doesn't work like that, does it? Has to be a way. I don't know, but let's just cast it as a savable data. Nice. Just delete this. Save object. We don't do that anymore. Don't do any of this anymore. It's good. Now all the loading has been fixed appropriately. So let's load and pass in our save data. Ref. Now I'm pretty sure that means it's gonna load the correct shit now. Now we just gotta go entry.load data. We've got to give it a group path. Let's go string group path equals path.combine group with parent path dot value and group dot group name. And let's load the data at the group path, if you will. Method. Load data target save method. Entry dot. So we're loading the data. That's all we want. I'm gonna load that bad boy data. Let's also save the data. I'm saving the data because if it hasn't created a file yet for this particular entry, it will. But I'm not 100% sure if that's the right way to go about it. Because I might want to do like some initialization on the data, and I can't because the data's already been saved. So we're not going to do any more changes to that. This script's actually going to be a really fucking good script. That's fine. What's the next one? That's not fine. Oh, okay. It's handy. And we go ref path. And if we make it to the very end, we just do nothing. We can set it to null, actually. Go data equals null, and we'll send a debug.log. Go problemo with Lodo. Log warning. All right. Let's get this bad boy parent path dot initialize blueprint. Yeah, we need to add listener on change. I'm going to listen to process parent path change. You just initialize saving or initialize auto saving events in here. Yo, what'd you make? Oh, nice. And Teresa sausage. Oh, nice. She did make dinner. Let's have a look, see on the stream, see if anyone's watching. I was watching it. Right, choose which one to show. Oh my gosh, I want to show this one. Oh, look, it's a scroll. Here we go. This is the one I want. Show that. See what it looks like. Do I not see it? You literally just see the part that it's up to. That's really bad. Like, that's like, you know how long ago this was? Yonks ago. Yonks. Alright. I'm just having a quick break here. Gonna get energy drink. Swing on my chair a bit. Problem is with these vapes is I don't get breaks, mini breaks. So like I find that I wear out a lot faster than what like I do with when I'm smoking. Take this off. Grab some water. We'll mix some water into the mix. It's actually a bad idea. I think energy drink for now. Energy drink for now, and then get some. Yeah, now I just think the energy drink's a bad idea. Never did. Alright. The time on this, hour and a half. We can go for a bit longer. Alright, so we got that done. We got saving. We got our groups. We got our save entries. In reality, we actually need to be looking at this. My mate's just opened Steam. Got me excited. If he jumps on, I'm leaving the fucking live stream, boys. I'm thinking of some really sick apps at the moment, boys, and I really want to make some of them. Void save specific entry. I think I could have gone a much better way than this, but we'll keep going with what I've got. We don't want auto load, so that can fuck off. Parent path, save method. Yep, save specific entry. I don't know about that. Because there's no need. We're not going to know specific entries unless it knows the key name, the group name, the key and the group name. I'm going to get rid of that. Move. It just means you can split your groups down into more groups. We don't need that. Yeah, that's that done. Save group, save entry, savable data, save God, we've got all that. Now it's time for the displayers, boys. Save displayer and save blueprint. Say my profile watching? No. So we just did the displayers, yeah. So we need to work out a way to display all the saves, and two, display the save groups. This stuff. And it would be nice to be able to edit that in line here. So we'll go to save group. And we'll make this is fine actually. We want save entry. I'm gonna go here and we'll go inline editor. And we'll make a tab group here. And we'll go entry settings. We'll go tab group entry target. See what this looks like. Didn't change. Spune. I thought it would read. Let's write that and see if that does happens now. Ah. Can we write inline editor here and that does it? Oh. That really sucks. To this. Someone's spamming my chat, boys. Loch's Ness Bunch. Have a good stream. 100 viewers for 0.5, 50 cents only. With Get Viewers Pro, catch a promo for 10 free viewers. No thanks, I'm alright. Next. Can I type in like, can I do that actually? What happens when I do this? Oh, makes it worse. Marks a type as being serialized. Odin uses this attribute to check whether it should include. Let's see what this does. Nothing. Okay. Rah. What if I remove serialized field? Oh my gosh. I have an idea now. Let's go to group, save group. All right, let's see. Still not doing it. Oh, I've had enough of trying. I'm just going to create a custom editor using Odin now. Odin serialize child. Serialize system dot serializable. Let's have a look at this. I can inherit from So non-serialize and Odin serialize. Okay. That was like the first document it's said. That's nice. So save the data, save entry. So we're in the save group. And that should be done now. It's not doing anything now. Save group. Why is it not working? Okay. So I get rid of this. Ink. This is weird. My gosh, man. Maybe because I'm drawing default inspector. What? What? That's more like it, bitch. Line editor. It should be showing it. There we go. Let's turn this to private, please. This is private. All right. Break. Gonna BRB. I'm back. Can I make a label? Header. Just with property. Want to make like a custom header. Special character. Like I want like a message to display if it's not if it's like if it has a question mark in the name or if it has like a full stop in the name. I want to be able to go, yo, you can't have a name with a question mark in it. What happens when I create a photo? Yeah, it can't. It can't contain. The file name can't contain any of those. So, file name, file path. What? Okay, let's see what this does. Like already this is really ugly. Like how many? It's just gone now. Name is here. Still put question marks in. It's not file. Let's not do file path. It's for something else. Like I want serialize how to a strict characters in string Odin. Odin. Band characters or something. Characters. String. Freezing. Display a string. Default char set. What's this? Path. Folder path is just gonna, it's not much better, you know? It's just, it just goes to, just does this. If I go outside of the Aussie salute, what happens then? Wow. condition. Yeah, it would be really fucking good if like I could just have like a function that would test it, bro. Like that's such a common. Validate input. Oh my gosh, finally. We need to create functionality anyways, because I could just do it on the Text Mesh Pro, hey? Let me just have a quick squiz at something. Let's go main menu, files. We want that input field. Then in here I can disable certain. Alphanumeric instead of standard. It has to be a name or number. It can't be question marks. What's that? Because if we can do this, I'm not going to bother creating like a massive script for it. Oh, yeah, but I need it for like multiple, dude. I'm better off just creating an attribute. Alphanumeric. Okay, let's just play and see. Oh no, I broke it. Let's just minimize this profile menu. Go back to save to the initializations. Just play here. Yeah. Yeah, I can't put any bad text in here. Question mark. No symbols, just numbers. Yeah. So it's probably best if I create an attribute because I'm going to be using this in multiple places. So look, I could do validate input. So I need to work out how to do yeah, we'll create a create an attribute for it. So how to create Unity attribute. Pretty sure I've already done it in here. So I might try and see if I can copy. Let's editor tools, custom attributes. Here we go. What? Okay. My gosh. Geurts string convention. was meant to be a folder, but let's go. Attribute. Don't do it. Don't do it. Okay, good. Okay, folder. Folder editor. And we need a Geurts string convention draw. I might just put a warning box underneath it. So let's have a look at how we do this. Got an attribute. I want to draw a we have to do on GUI. Now just get the want to just get the value. Yeah. Yeah. Let's just copy this, shall we? I don't know if I could be bothered loading all this again. Like, um, Geurts string convention, so it has to go attribute, attribute, or property attribute, null reference, property drawer. Got the attribute and memory reference attribute. Got a whole bunch of variables. We got the constructors, and that's it. Let's do that. Let's copy this as well. And we want char characters. Let's go target characters. Well, let's go warning characters, and let's put that at the end. Let's go this, and we'll make params. Let's go restricted. Another one here, and we'll just go allowed characters. What if I want a bunch? Let's go target characters. We'll make a bool here, and we'll go does restrict characters. Okay. Copy this. Let's copy these two. Paste these at the end here. I want public read only. Does restrict characters. Public read only shall list target characters. What about is blacklist. Is blacklist. And we'll do the same for here. Alright, we'll go is blacklist equals is blacklist. And target characters. Just target characters. Do the same. Yeah. Okay. Now we want the drawer. So just name a collection drawer. Get rid of that. Get rid of this. This. I want this. Okay. Go property drawer. And I want custom property drawer. Type of Geurts string convention attribute. Okay. Now it's on GUI, I believe. Public void on GUI. Public override GUI. It's just this for tech. Just copy this. Oh, so we control the height here. Let's just copy everything and chuck her in, and then we'll fix her up as we go. Okay? So we have something to work with. Give the error message, and we'll go characters. Forbidden characters in forbidden characters in your field that will result in a fatal error. Result that may result in bugs. let's go here. We want Geurts string convention attribute. I convert that to that. We're going to add a just like that. Type string type message. Okay, so if the property object reference value is not equal to null, it returns if it's equal to null. If it returns if it does not equal null. We don't want that. We still give it the property, which is nice. Message. Message type. Get message type from. Oh, it's actually the Unity's type. Wow, okay. Could pass in a message type and skip this. Message type. Oh, it has to use the editor, right? Okay. Get rid of that. And then we can send a list of forbidden characters. So we'll leave the message for now. We'll add a space at the end. And we will add the message here. Oops. I'm changing this. This is not the one I want to change. Change this one. The attribute. Our reference drawer. Okay. So does use custom message equals true. Message equals that. Okay. Let's go. If I'm warning no reference dot is blacklist. If it's a blacklist, we'll type in forbidden characters message is plus or equal to forbidden characters. And we will add all the characters on the blacklist. So need to convert a char array, char dot string dot string create string dot I know there's a way. How to create string from array of chars. How to create a string from array of char. It's gotta be an easy one, dude. To convert a char array to a string, you can use the following methods. Declare a string and pass the char array as its parameter for its constructor. For example, string char array. Use the value method string. Example, string dot value of char array. Okay. New string now reference dot target chars. Else message is plus or equal to allowed characters plus new string now reference dot target characters. Okay, that's done. Now let's go to let's go back to our thingo. Setting system, save God, yep, blueprint, power up. We want save group. In here, Geurts string convention, string type error, bool is blacklisted, true. We want all the characters that cannot be in a folder. Name, 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 forward slash, forward slash, backslash colon semicolon. It's a semicolon, isn't it? It's a semicolon. Colon. It's a semicolon. I can't believe I forgot that. Whatever. Colon. Question mark. Question mark. Quotation mark. Towards a backwards arrow. And that. Question mark. Towards backwards arrow. We also want what was it? And colon. Was it? The fuck was it? That. This. That. And what's the last one? That. Straight line. Control save. Nice. Let's have a look-see. You have forbidden characters in your field that will result in a fatal error. So, forbidden characters. What? Alright, wanted. It's just always showing, what the hell? We haven't done the functionality for it, bro. Man. If my label is blacklisted, we need to go. We need to get access to the string, the character string. Property.object reference value. We get property. Get property dot get string value. Equals property dot string value. So let's go if property dot value, property dot type get type is not equal to string or type of string, then we return, we're gonna log an error. Debug.log error. String convention Geurts string convention can only be applied to strings. I guess it's not fatal. Okay, now we get the string value. And then we're going to go string value equals, I'm going to get a char list. Chars. Char current chars equals new char. String value. Huh? To char array. There you go. And we're gonna go for each char. Hello, the Alex 501. Hello, Marco, Barry, and the Alex. What's going on? What's going on, lads? You're just like, it's like double trouble over here. Double trouble. Okay, that's just trippy now, bro. What the hell? Double trouble. Fucking hell. Let's just expand it out. I'm not using C in current chars. We're gonna go if character. Thanks for the follow, boys. Character is equal to we're gonna go my value dot target chars dot contains, and we're gonna give it character. Then we don't return. Example failed check equals false. Contains if this guy contains this, then we're going to go failed check equals true. And we actually can break out of this if it is contained. Break. And then we can go else here. Basically same thing, except we go the opposite. So we go if it does not contain the character, then we fail the check. And if failed check is equal to false, we return. If failed check is equal to false, we return, because we don't want to print our error message if she has not failed. Alright, nice. Now it should work. But it didn't. It's always, looks like it's always going. Only be applied to strings. Okay. Property.getType is not equal to type of string. So I'm not sure why. What is the type then? Property.getType. Unity editor.serialize property. Okay. Dot property type. Type. Property. Dot type. Type of this property. Yeah, that's kind of what I want. I want the serialized property. Let's just type in property and see what comes up. Okay, does that work? Okay. Oh, she's working. It's working. It's working. Okay, boys. I am done and gonna go play some Baldur's Gate. I will fucking see yous in the next one. Ciao, boys.